S&P. Now, Wynn's probably confused. He goes, hey, you got to short the market. And I'd been babysitting Bitcoin, wanted to watch the futures positions today. I was watching Mara in Tesla. I bought more AMD, Amazon, and Tesla calls for December. And I just was not watching the S&P. He's like, hey, you got a short? And I kind of thought we were just dancing around. And I was like, yeah, if the trend is down, I would go short. And I would have gone short today had I even looked at the futures contracts. I'm currently read my ES contract because I did go long at the Type 2. This would have been not a bad short, just on the way down. My stop is going to be below here. I am going to add on if it does hit this yellow zone down here. That's kind of where I'm at. It'll just be 2 ES contracts. That'd be it. So you guys see this fly? I'm going to lose it. All right. For now, I gotta say now it looks more like a dip buy. I'm pretty bullish July regardless. Seasonality is not a bad thing to be either. I'm just thinking now probably the dip buy. If you wanted to wait for that blue zone, this is where I'd be looking for the bounce. If anything, you kind of have that higher low going right here. As far as the expected moves, haven't done anything. NASDAQ kind of at that. We call this Ukraine zone for a reason because I was almost back and forth on should this be the zone or this one, because it's so new and at all-time highs. That's kind of where we are back and forth. Looks like we're still holding the line right here. I would have to be long. My stop would have to be right here, 22.8. So we got these red wicks over here, all of these, this little one right here. We kind of have all of that inside there where it did hold. That's kind of where I'd be at. Grandpa Dow taking the beat down. Remember, white is a daily zone, kind of 15-minute, but that should be a decent zone. Maybe not a bad one to buy the dip on. Oh, I don't want to just disrupt and ninja fight this fly right now. Russell, actually, I would consider taking a dip buy. I haven't traded this in a while. Gets to that yellow zone, I think I would. That's where it's at. Maybe we're getting a little oversold, so kind of bounces back, and that's the bounce right there. But for me, for it to be worth it, it would need to be that yellow zone. Jumping into